For this, I had to go through rigorous trainings. It's the magic of the song, actually. Salman was like, I know him like from before also. I remember painful memories, actually.
Hi Zara, welcome to Box Office India. How are you today?
Hi. Hi, Ananya. How are you?
I'm also good. How's the lockdown been for you all this while?
Don't ask. It was quite boring, and yes, initial days were quite tough.
Yeah.
But day by day we got used to it, and then we planned this song, and then at least we got something to make ourselves busy. So that
Yeah.
day passed. Yeah.
Great, great. So the song has like become the most viewed song on YouTube. How does that feel?
That feels awesome, actually, and the all the hard work we have put on this song. It was like it was really difficult for me initially because I was not a formal trained dancer
Yeah.
in contemporary especially, and it needs lots of flexibility and lots of this types and all this stuff to maintain
Yeah.
during the whole rehearsals, and but it was fun, and I'm glad people are liking it and giving us so much love.
Yeah, that's so nice. The song is so beautiful. And coming to the choreography, it is very difficult. Like I saw the song and I was like, wow, how do these guys manage to do this? So how
Yes.
did you guys prepare for it? How was the rehearsal like for you all?
For Salman, it was quite easy because he's
Yeah.
been trained like from years. Yeah,
Yeah.
but with him to compete, I was like little nervous. He okay, fine. Even you can do it like this because it's quite easy for him. His body is
Yeah.
very flexible. But for me, of course, during lockdown, I was not doing gym or workout because everything was shut. And
Yeah.
so suddenly to come out and jump into this rehearsal, for my
Yeah.
body it was little difficult because I had to make my all body parts flexible for this.
Yeah.
And for this, I had to go through rigorous trainings, and 4 5 hours per day. I have had to train myself. The
Yeah.
20 25 days we did, then we attained that level of confidence.
Great, but it doesn't look like you're like not a very good dancer because the steps that you've done there are amazing. Like they're good. So
Thank
congratulations
you.
on
No,
that as well.
actually, I was trained in pole, flamenco, and other
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
other dance, but not particularly in flamenco.
Contemporary.
Sorry, contemporary,
Yeah.
because I never thought ki I'll do something like this. Contemporary was on my wish list,
Yeah.
but I didn't know it will happen like so instantly. That
Yeah.
and I had to do it so instantly. Yeah.
So how did the collaboration happen? Like how were you approached for the song?
Uh, Actually, it was very from very beginning. It was in my mind to do something like this. I asked. This concept was actually I had proposed T Series team.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had worked in other songs also with them. So
Yeah.
I asked them, "Ki, sir, we want to do something like that."
Hmm.
They really liked it, something extraordinary. So they gave us a nice track, this Kande Ka Hotel. And then we thought ki Salman is the perfect match for this because he's one of
Yeah.
the best dancer in couple especially. So couple contemporary, he was our first choice. So
Wow.
Salman was like, I know him like from before also. I met him quite a times in gym. So
Yeah.
yeah, the choreographer was our mutual.
Hmm.
So that's how we approached him, and he was on board, and we started rehearsing. Then Sachit came on board, and Sachit, of course, when he came, I was like, relax, okay. Sachit will sing, then and it will be like, it will be like nice
Yeah.
only. So
Great.
yeah, that's how it happened.
Great. So also when a song like this happens, the chemistry is very important. So of course आप किसी को पहले से जानते हो तो that chemistry builds up. But how did you guys maintain that on the screen?
Uh, so Salman, of course, he's a very good actor though. I asked him in the morning, you forget your wife for one day for sure. And you have to
Yes.
just completely get into the song. And he was
Yeah.
like, don't worry, it's like my everyday job. I was like, okay, that's fine.
Great.
Then, yeah, but it's the magic of the song actually, if I would say. The song is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You tend to feel that song when you listen to that. So that way it really helped us to get into that emotions. So yeah,
Oh, great. Okay, so what would you say was one of the most favorite memories that you took from the sets of the song?
not first of all memories. If you ask, I remember painful memories actually when we both fell down
Oh,
and he
yeah.
hurt his knees, I hurt my back, and other than that, it was quite fun. I mean, like we kept teasing each other all the time. "ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है," and all that, and it was fun. Otherwise, yeah.
Okay. So my last question would be, what would you say is the one major difference that you see when you're shooting a song, like a singing song?
I like the idea of shooting a single song, and I so far I had done many songs only, so
Yeah.
I'm the right person to say this. From my past experiences, it's like in a very short span of time, like three
Yeah.
four minutes, you could you get a chance to depict a full story.
Yeah.
That's the most beautiful thing about a song. With music, with feelings, with emotions, in just 3 4 minutes, you are depicting a full story,
Yeah.
and we don't have time these days to watch long movies, and
True.
we are so busy. So when we deliver audience very shortly, a cute story, loving story, or anything, playful story,
Yeah.
that's how song market is growing very fast nowadays. I feel.
True. True. That's
Yeah.
very well put. And on that note, thank you so much for giving your time to us, Sarah.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Take
So
care.
you do, you do.